Hello friends, myself Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Today we are going to conduct the practical of the subject Pharmaceutics second of Diploma course in Pharmacy second year. So before going to conduct that experiment, we will cover the introduction of this experiment. So in introduction, monophasic lipid dosage form meant for external use. In that, the liquid to be used in a mouth cavity. So throat paint are the viscous liquid preparation which is meant for oral and throat infection. Generally, glycerin is commonly used as a base. Being viscous in a nature, it adheres to the mucous membrane for a long period of time. Recommended containers for throat paints, that is airtight wide mouth color fluted bottle with a glass topper. Special labeling condition for throat paint, that is not to be swallowed in a large amount. So experiment number 19, to prepare and submit throat paint. Throat paint is a monophasic liquid dosage form. From that experiment, we gain intellectual skill as well as motor skill. In intellectual skill, to understand how to formulate and dispense throat paint. In motor skill, ability to prepare throat paint and label it. Apparatus which are used for preparation of throat paint, that is beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder, etc. Then prescription. So in prescription, liquefied phenol 1 ml, glycerin add up to 100 ml, fiat pigmentum is nothing but throat paint, mette 1 fluid ounce, signatura, Gattari OP penicillin, omni secunda hora applicandum. Factor, that is quantity required upon quantity given. So quantity required which is 30 ml and quantity given which is of 100. So the factor will be 0.3. In observation table, there are 5 columns. First, that is type. Second, translation, that is from Latin to English. Third column, that is quantity given in an empirical system. Fourth column, that is quantity given in metric system, and last column, that is quantity taken in a metric system. So liquefied phenol, which is used as antiseptic and antimicrobial in a nature. For 100 ml of preparation, liquefied phenol is used as 1 ml. For 30 ml of preparation, liquefied phenol will use 0.3 ml. So that 0.3 ml answer is occur when 0.3 factor multiply with 1 ml. We got the answer 0.3 ml. Glycerin which is used up to 100 ml, that glycerin used as a vehicle and it enhance the viscosity of the preparation. For 30 ml, it will use up to 30 ml. Direction to be applied after every 3 hours with brush. Then label throat paint 30 ml for, that is name of patient, register number, that is number in the register, dispensed by, that is name of pharmacist, date, that is date of manufacturing, storage condition, in that store in a cool and dark place. Additional direction, that is shake well before use. Special direction, that is for external use only as well as not to be swallowed in a large amount. Direction for use, to be applied after every 3 hours with a brush. Manufactured by DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Now going with procedure of the throat paint. So let's start with the procedure. For throat paint, we require liquefied phenol and glycerin. So we already take that liquefied phenol and glycerin. So transfer that liquefied phenol into the glycerin. Properly mix or dissolve that phenol into the glycerin, transfer to measure that throat paint into the container, cork it properly, attach the label and submit the preparation. This is throat paint which contain liquefied phenol. Thank you.